Do you find it hard to do your makeup by yourself? This is a step-by-step makeup tutorial on how to do your makeup as a beginner by yourself at home. So keep on watching. First step, how to draw your eyebrows. You will need a spoolie or a used mascara wand to do this. Brush your brows upwards, pick up your brow pencil, sharpen it. I have an eyebrow tutorial that I will leave up there. You can check that out, or I'll leave the playlist in the description box. So check out my eyebrow tutorial, they are very detailed. So now you want to draw another curved line at the top of your eyebrows and then connect the two lines. So this is how it should look like, and then use your pencil to draw hair-like strokes. So you fill in your eyebrows using your pencil, and then at the beginning of the eyebrows you are going to draw hair-like strokes. I'll use my concealer to clean and define my eyebrows. When you pull down the concealer, it makes it easier when blending. So now, cleaning the top of my eyebrow, I made a mistake, but you can correct that mistake. So I cleaned too much. So to correct that mistake, I picked up my brow pencil and I added at the top. So as a beginner, it's okay to make mistakes when cleaning or drawing your eyebrows, so you don't have to start all over. Now to prime my eyelids, I'll be using my concealer, the same one I used to clean my eyebrows. This is not an eyeshadow, guys. This is a blush. I'll pick up my blending brush. For beginners, you need a blending brush. It's very important and it's so useful to blend your eyeshadow. So I tapped my eyeshadow on my eyelid. I didn't set the concealer, so I'm just going to use swiping motion to blend that blush into my crease, and circular motions to blend it at the outer part of my eyes. For me, guys, this is the quickest way to do your eyeshadow. Use one color, tap the color on your eyelids, add a shimmer if you want to. I also leave down some of the links of my other video down in the description box, so do check it out, okay? This next step is optional, guys. You can skip this if you don't have dark circles under your eyes. Now it's time for foundation. When blending your foundation, you blend it into your hairline, around your ear, under your jawline. You want to blend this so that it doesn't look as if you are putting on a mask. After foundation, the next step is to highlight and conceal. So you highlight under your eyes, the bridge of your nose, your forehead. So if you're watching this and you are not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your cupid's bow and your chin. So those are the places you highlight and you conceal. You also want to contour your face. So I'll be using my foundation, my liquid foundation, to do that, and I'll be using my contour brush to apply that on my face. So I'll contour under my cheekbones, my forehead, under my jawline, and I'll blend that in. So now to contour my nose, I'll use that angled brush there and use this to contour my nose. Blending my contour first gave my concealer enough time to get tacky, so this gives you more coverage. While blending your foundation, your concealer or your contour, always remember to tap in whatever you are blending. Just tap, press, tap, tap. You don't drag around the product. It will take away the product and it wouldn't look good. So you tap, tap, tap. Now I'll use my contour brush to blend out any harsh lines between the contour and the concealer so that everything looks good, and then pick up my blending brush and just tap on it so that it's well blended. I'll use this powder to set my concealer first. This is the first thing I always like to do before going in with a setting powder. So you want to set everywhere you applied that concealer and also the rest part of your face. Now I'll also set my contour. To set my concealer with a setting powder, I'll dust off the excess powder and then use this to set under my eyes. I'll just apply a setting spray again. This is a clean spoolie, guys, and I'm using this to brush down my hair so that I can apply my eyeliner and lashes easily. Apply mascara. You can leave your lashes like so, or you can apply false lashes if you want to, if that's the vibe you're going for. Also apply highlighter on the eye points of your face. For my lips, guys, I didn't realize that my camera had stopped recording. So what I did is I applied my red lip liner, and then to darken it up, I'm using a brown pencil to do that, and I'm going to apply my orange concealer in the middle part of my lips and blend that in. So this is like an ombre kind of like lip situation going on here. It looks so pretty. I like it. I like how my lips turned out. And to finish up the look, I'm just going to apply some setting spray, and that's it. This is how to do your makeup. Easy, quick, beginners step-by-step makeup look. You can do this easily at home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.